This has got to be the most slept on reverb plugin in FL Studio. Fruity Convolver is a reverb plugin that basically lets you play an instrument in any real life setting. I usually begin with one of the many presets and then just change some of the parameters to get the sound that I'm going for. Starting off, we have a basic dry and wet knob that controls the dry and wet signal of the reverb. Next to those, we have stereo separation for the input signal and the wet signal. You can play around with the delay knob to basically give your instrument or vocal like a slap reverb, which means the reverb kicks in anywhere between 0 and 500 milliseconds. The self-convolver knob basically adds a bigger reverb to your dry signal, and the stretch knob determines how long you want the reverb to last. Another cool feature with this plugin is the EQ tab that adds an equalizer on the reverb. You can hold down Shift to drag a straight line, and hold down Alt to have full control of the curve.